Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export video in high quality from VideoLeap. VideoLeap is a powerful mobile video editing app that allows you to create professional looking videos directly from your phone. After spending the time trimming clips, adding music, transition, text and effect, the final and most important step is exporting your video in high quality. Export setting determine how sharp, smooth and clear your final video looks. If you choose low setting, your video may appear blurry or pixelated. So in order to export in high quality, first what you can do is open to a VideoLeap app on your device. And you can simply go to your project and review it and watch a full video from beginning to end. Check if everything looks fine and perfect and you are ready to export, and tap on the top right corner of the export there, and over here on the bottom you can find to this export setting. Select to this export setting here and you can select to this resolution or the frames per second as well. You can go to the 180p or the 4K if you have a pro version, or you can simply go to the 1080p as well, and after that you can simply select to the save on the bottom, and that is it. Wait while the video renders. Do not close the app during the exporting. Keep your phone charged, and after rendering finishes, the video saves to a camera roll or the gallery in the high quality. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.